See, students already are familiar with multiplication of the matrices. You know how to multiply the matrices. I think you are practicing that. So after that, before explaining some more examples, see what are the properties. In some of the previous examples, you are familiar that AB is not equal to BA. That also gives you one hint. AB is not equal to BA gives you what hint? The matrix multiplication is not commutative. Underline that. The matrix multiplication is not commutative. So after that is one thing you have to remember. It is a standard result. Only in some cases it is possible. That I will explain it later. So now coming to the properties of multiplication of matrices. First one, the associative law. If A, B, C are any three matrices and their multiplication is possible, so we have AB into C is equal to A into BC. That means multiplication of matrices is associative. Multiplication of matrices is associative. That I will explain with example. Don't worry about that. Then the second one, the distributive law. The distributive law is like this. A, B, C are any three matrices. First one is A in the bracket B plus C is equal to AB. Remove the bracket AB plus AC. Second one, A plus B. Outside we have a C. So remove the bracket AC plus BC. The next one is very important. The existence of multiplicative identity. So what is the existence of multiplicative identity? For every square matrix, mark it. Square matrix, not other matrix. Square means the number of row and number of columns are equal. A, there exists an identity matrix of same order such that I into A is equal to A into I is equal to A. Underline this. If you multiply any matrix with identity matrix, that is square matrix, remember. If you multiply any square matrix with identity matrix, always you are getting the same matrix whatever it is A. So this is identity, existence of multiplicative identity. That also I am explaining. If you don't worry, everything I will explaining in the example. And after this, note important point. So normally when you are multiplying two numbers, if it is 2 into 0, your answer will be 0. Other than 0 term, if you are multiplying any other than 0 terms, you are not getting 0. You are not getting 0. But in the case of matrices, if you are multiplying any two non-zero matrices also, sometimes you are getting 0 matrix. Here, what is that note then? 0 matrix as the product of two non-zero matrices. So I am explaining examples here. If A is a matrix and you are familiar with zero matrix, what will be zero matrix? If all the elements are 0, then only we are calling it as zero matrix. Otherwise, non-zero. See, A and B are non-zero matrices. Remember, this gives the hint for your competitive. So, multiply these two. Multiplication first row with first column. 0 into 3, 0. Plus minus 1 into 0, 0. Then first row with second column. 0 into 5. Minus 1 into 0. Then second row with first column. They are also 0. Second row with second column. They are also 0. See that answer, is it 0 or what? But A and B are not 0. That means 0 matrix as the product of two non-zero matrices. Is it clear? Now we are coming to the next example. It is very important. They can ask in the theory for 5 marks. If A is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. B 1, 3, 0, 2 minus 1, 4. C 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 0 minus 2, 1. Question is find A in the bracket B into C. Next AB in the bracket, outside we have a C. Then the question will continue here. Show that this is the question. Now we are moving to the solutions. So here first I am taking BC. Now you are familiar. Just go on writing this multiplication. First row with first column. 1 plus 6. First row with second column. Corresponding elements 2 plus 0. First row with third column. Corresponding elements. Like that the next one. Now second row with first column. Second row with second column. Then remaining like that. Then third row with first column. Third row with simplify this. 7, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Say student 4, 0 minus 4. I hope you are also doing 2. Then 7 minus 2 minus 11, 8. See it carefully whether you are getting the answers or what, the same answers you are getting or what. After that I am moving to the A into BC. A into BC I am writing. A in the bracket BC. First write on matrix A. Then write on whatever you multiplied. Just multiply this. First row with first column as usual. First element into first element, second element into second element, third element into third element. In between that you have to write plus. Can we move for the next one? 1 and middle we have to leave some place. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 0. Plus this minus and this minus becomes plus 1 into 2. Then leave some place. First row with third column minus 3, 1 into minus 3. Next 1 into minus 4. Next minus 1 into minus 11. That is plus. First row with fourth column, that is minus 1. That is plus 2. Then minus 8. Have you completed this? Yes. Then come for the next. Second row with 2 into 7, 14, plus 0 into 4, plus 3 into 7, 21. Then second row with second column. First 2 into 2, plus 0 into 0, then minus 6. After that, second row with third column, minus 6 plus 0, minus 33. Then second row with fourth column, 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 3 into 8. After that, what you are doing? Third row with first column, 3 into 7 plus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Then 2 into 7 is what? 14. Leave some place. Third row with second column, 6 plus 0 minus 4. I hope all of you are getting. Third row with third column, minus 9 plus 4 minus 22. Then third row with fourth column, minus 3 minus 2 plus 16. Can you write the simplified answer? Plus 7 minus 7 get cancelled, 4. Then it is 4. Here 4 and it is minus 7. I hope you are getting. 14 plus 21, 35. Then minus 2. Then minus 39. Then 22. Then 21 minus 4 plus 14, that is 31. Then 2. Then minus 9 plus 4 minus 22, minus 27. Then 11. This is what? This is equation 1. We calculated A in the bracket B into C. First what we did? First we calculated BC. Then we calculated A into BC. So this is equation 1. Come for the next part. In the next part, so first what you are doing? First we are multiplying A into B. Write down matrix A. Here they are. They are on side by side. So directly I am multiplying. First row with first column. In that first element into first element. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Then minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus. Then what you are doing? First row with second column. So you got this answer. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Then second row with first column. In that corresponding elements. 2 into 1 plus 0 minus 3. Then second row with second column. 6 plus 0 plus 12. Then third row with first column. Then third row with third column. Write down the answer. So this is what? It is AB. After multiplying AB, go for AB into C. Write down AB here. And on the side write down C. What is C? Multiply these two. So here first row with first column, corresponding elements. First row with first column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Then leave some place. First row with second column. Then leave some place. First row with third column. Then leave some place. First row with fourth column, corresponding elements. 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 1. Then second row with first column minus 1 because minus 1 into 1 plus 18 into 2 36. Then second row with second column minus 1 into 2 plus 0. Second row with third column corresponding elements. Second row with fourth column. Then third row with first column. 1 into 1 plus 15 into 2. Third row with second column. Then third row with third column corresponding elements. Then third row with fourth column. Simplify this. This is 2 plus 2. 4. This is 4. This is 4 minus 7. This is 35 minus 2 minus 39 20. Next 31 2 minus 27 11. This completes the equation 2. Now already we calculated equation 1 and this is equation 2. Compare the two equations and you will get the answer like this. From 192 AB in the bracket C is equal to C. Is it associative law or what? Yes, this is a associative law for matrix multiplication. The next example is very simple. I am giving you one simple example here. Find AB. See, is it possible to find AB? For that, what you are doing? First, we are writing the order. What is the order of A? How many row? 1 row. How many columns? 3 columns. And what is the order B? It is 3 row, 1 column. So these terms are not coming. So finally, what you are getting AB as? AB as a single containing a matrix of single element. We have first row with first column, only that one. In that corresponding elements, 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 5 plus simplify this. Minus 4 plus 10 is 6. 6 plus 18 is how much? 24. So this is of order 1 by 1. Suppose if you want to find BA, just tell me the order. What will be the order of BA? It is B is of order 3 by 1, A is of order 1 by 3. These terms get eliminated, then BA will be finally we got 3 by 3. So similarly, can you practice the next one? Find AB and BA. Next example. So here just compute the following means in between the two matrices we have a multiplication. Just multiply the two matrices. So when you are multiplying these two matrices, see here first row with first column, first element into first element plus second element into second element. Now coming to the next one, first row with second column, first element into first element plus second element into second element. Then second row with first column, again same corresponding elements. Then the next, here minus AB plus and these two get cancelled. They are cancelling with each other like this and this and this. So what is remaining then? A square plus B square, this will be 0, this is 0, this is B square plus A square. Students, shall I give you the assignment? Try this as the assignment. Students, try these sums as a assignment.